Do you have a patio sliding screen door that needs fixed? This door usually stays on those rails here, these rails. They have a groove in them. It's about 1/4 inch high. It's an Anderson patio door. Here there's another groove. Here. Okay. So if you have a door like this, this is not an Anderson screen. I don't know who makes this screen door, but you can see this action here. I want to show you how to fix these. So you push that in, okay? It goes back into that slot. Push it in. And then these lock on the sides. They're difficult, but they will lock. See, they went in there. Now to get them out, let me back up. There's a screw that goes in here. That screw goes in there like that. And that holds that in. It also is an adjustment screw, so it serves two purposes. Now to get these out of here, it's difficult. You have to, that will come out like that. So this is all adjustable. You want to push that in, and then push that in on each side. It's tough. Then it comes out. It's a spring. Spray some lube, WD-40 or something on it. Now, this door was not made for this application because, see, there's this rubber runner on it. We want to remove that runner so it fits into that groove that I showed you earlier. So this is just an O-ring, and it's made to, when it wears out, it's done. Then you have to get a whole new mechanism. But I'm going to cut that out, and then we're going to just run this in the groove. Now that should just, it's just an O-ring, and it was wore out anyway. So that will just, now there's a second O-ring in there. Look at that. There, now that'll just ride in the groove. There were 2 O-rings in that. So we'll put this back in. Just snaps in there. It's locked in there now. Put the screw back in. It serves as an adjustment. Okay. Goes all the way in. It's sort of a limiting screw. See? The more you push the screw in, the less that will go up. So I want to leave it backed out pretty well. Goes up higher every time you screw it out a little bit more. To get that in, we want it all the way up to get it back into the slots. and there's 4 of them. There's one on this side, one on this side, and 2 at the top. Now this door, my neighbor was throwing it away. You see what I've done is I put an angle aluminum on it and screwed. This is just a standard cheap little aluminum door from the store, but you know how much they cost now? 79 bucks. Okay, my neighbor threw it away. He threw away an $80 bill. Then I had this piece of scrap angle iron. So you see these? They got the same problem. They got the rubber in there. I'm taking them out because I want to get them cleaned up and lubricated. Depress the mechanism, push that over, and it should pop out. Boy. There. It's turning pretty well. It rolls pretty good. But I'm going to cut those O-rings out, lubricate it pretty well. Oh, look at there. See what it is? It's just a ball bearing. So see how the wheels gotten kind of chewed up? We're going to straighten all that out, cut the O-rings out of there. That'll ride in that groove. See how dirty that is? We'll clean all that out of there. Okay, so I've cleaned it up. Cut the old O-ring out. Get rid of it. Cut the second O-ring out. Get rid of it. Straighten these. This is just aluminum. Probably could use a second pair of pliers. That looks pretty good. A little narrow here. Slip back in there. Spins nice. Spring goes in there. It's back in there. We'll lube all this up. There. There. Pops in. We'll do the same thing on this side. This is just soapy water. I just dump that in there. Push it around. These come apart. Spring comes out. Almost good as new. See, that one is already broken. Now, if you have the kind of door that just rolls on the rubber, you can just replace those O-rings. At Harbor Freight, you can get an O-ring kit. I think it's $7, $8. Hopefully that'll be okay. Let's see. So, I put it back on. It's riding just fine in the channels. Making a little noise up there. Remember we had the one that wasn't quite round. It's making us a little noise. But I think that's fixed. It slides real easy. You know, one finger. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.